Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, we're gonna talk about what causes the sticky brakes, how you can prevent it, and how you can fix it if you really let it go bad. And I'm gonna get into it right now. By the way, if you found this video useful, please give me a like. It helps with the algorithm. And if you really find it useful that much, hit subscribe over here, right down there. And let's get into this video right now. So a lot of you guys that would now if you got the winter time, a lot of you guys would put this bike in the attic, and what ends up happening right here on the brakes, for whatever reason here, there is some kind of friction that kind of sticks right here, and it causes for the brakes to kind of bite unequally. Basically what would happen, only this side would bite and this side wouldn't bite. And I'm gonna show you right now how you can do this without fixing it at all. So if your bike is gonna be stored and for a while, this is what I like to do. Just put your hand in here and then pump the brake like this. Now let me tell you what you're doing here. Now have a look. This brake is now gonna get some workout. So what that will do, it's gonna get rid of this friction right here that's gonna build on it, and basically you won't have to do any adjustments. It's like getting this thing to use it quite often. So there you go. See, now I'm gonna try to kind of show you. This one here is biting equally. So basically that's a really nice thing. Now here is the trick. If you really screw this up and you got lots of friction here and you want to fix it now, okay, just grab some park tool. See, I have some park tool, and you're gonna just dip it right here. Just there you go, just a drop. You see, I have a tiny bit of drop right here, and again, you want to get this thing to work it. It's not gonna get fixed on its own. So there you go. Now if this really doesn't help, then you have to do the brake adjustment with the Park Tool AWS, which is you gotta get this thing like this, and you gotta play with it to get a proper adjustment. Now what I will do, I will have a link here in the description, pop up how to adjust this properly, and you will need the AWS 1 or the wrench number 10 if you got the bolt in here. And that's pretty much that. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.